Welcome to Electric Wheelchairs USA. Today we're visiting the headquarters of ComfyGo. In this video, we'll be exploring the IQ-9000, a foldable power wheelchair from the Majestic series. It offers a variety of color options for both the cushion and backrest, and you can even select an auto recline feature. It also comes with an Attendant controller, making it possible for a caregiver to operate the chair. It's a unique and visually appealing model. Quick announcement, we're giving away a free scooter. Here's how to enter. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Like this video to show some love. Comment below with your thoughts on the video, and you'll be entered automatically. Stay tuned and good luck. Now let's continue with the video. The IQ-9000 is an impressive folding power wheelchair with innovative features rarely seen in the industry. It comes standard with an adjustable headrest that can also be removed if desired. At the back, you'll find a hydraulic mechanism allowing the seat to recline when stationary, which we'll demonstrate shortly. There are also two rear reflectors and anti-tip wheels for added stability. These can even be extended for better safety on inclines. The chair includes freewheel switches, so when they're flipped down, it transitions into manual mode, letting you push it like a regular wheelchair. Remember, it won't operate in power mode until these switches are reset. This model also incorporates spring suspension, offering a smoother ride on uneven terrain. One fantastic feature is the ability to customize the look of the chair, from the textile choices on the seat to the frame color. The armrests flip up, making it easier to get in and out, and charging is conveniently done through the joystick. Alternatively, the batteries can be removed and charged directly if needed. The footplate also flips up, allowing for even easier access. This wheelchair uses two lithium-ion batteries located under the seat, which are easy to detach, handy for airline travel, where you'll need to carry them on board. Another highlight is the joystick's digital display, showing battery life, speed, and a speed control bar for adjustments. There's also a power button, horn, and an auto recline button to adjust the seat angle, a great option for relaxation or improving circulation. The IQ-9000 includes an Attendant remote, letting caregivers operate it remotely. This is ideal if you need the chair to come to you without walking over to it. The Majestic series all feature this option. Additionally, it has a seat belt, and the cushioning is highly supportive, making it one of the most comfortable foldable power wheelchairs out there. ComfyGo designed this chair with travelers in mind. The joystick can be easily removed by loosening a knob, which helps protect it during transit. Folding the chair is quick, just lift the back lever, and it collapses flat in seconds. It's compact enough to stand upright, making storage even easier. If you're looking for a stylish, travel-friendly option, the IQ-9000 is an excellent choice. We've received positive feedback from customers across the Majestic series, and once you see and try out this chair, it's clear why it's such a hit. ComfyGo offers a 7-day free trial, so you can experience their products with complete peace of mind. If you're interested in learning more about this offer, be sure to check the link in the description box below. For more information on the IQ-9000 or other ComfyGo products, feel free to call us at 800-682-9444 or visit our website at electricwheelchairsusa.com.